Let us understand a scenario here. I have a prod resource group. A resource group requires a region to be mentioned. For example, when I am creating the prod resource group, I have to choose the location when I am creating a resource group. A resource group is a placeholder. Basically, when I create a resource group, I need to have a region to be mentioned. Let us understand with a diagram. I have a prod resource group. This resource group is located in East US location. After creating the resource group, what I will do is I will place some of the resources inside this resource group. I will take the web application, virtual machines and managed disks and place it into this particular resource group. I can create another resource, for example, a virtual machine, which is created in a different location or region, and I can place in this resource group, which is there in East US location. In this example, I am creating a virtual machine, which is in West US location, and I am placing this virtual machine inside a resource group, which is there in East US location. Even though your resources are created in a different location, you can move all those resources and keep it in a particular region where your resource group is located. What will happen if East US fails or any region fails? So whenever you are designing any infrastructure, you need to design in such a way that you need to understand what are the resources which are zonal redundant and what are the resources which are regional redundant. If the resources are not regional redundant, you need to ensure that the resources are placed in a different region so that one region outage will not impact that application. So coming back to this particular case, if the East US is down and it has an outage, all the resources which you have created, the web app, the virtual machine and the managed disks, these will be offline and it will not be able to accessible, because web app is a regional resource, virtual machine is a zonal resource, and managed disks is also a zonal resource. But there is a catch here. In the resource group which you have created in East US, you have created a virtual machine which is in West US. This West US virtual machine will be accessible because that region is not having any outage. The entire resource group will not be available until the region comes back. The West US virtual machine which will be available and it will be online even if this entire region East US has an outage. And all the resources are not online, you will be able to access this West US virtual machine. Even though you have placed this West US virtual machine inside the East US resource group. So you need to have clear understanding what are the resources which fall into zonal resources category and what are the resources which fall into regional category and what are the resources which falls into global category. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you and take care.